Namaskar. I, Dr. Akanksha Avasthi, Assistant Professor from Dr. C.V. Raman University, wants to thank to the Vedanta Knowledge System and Dr. Arjun Dave for giving me the honor to chair this technical session of 6th Viksit Bharat at the rate 2047 conferences. The conference title is Advancing Innovation Through Multidisciplinary Research and Transformative Education, AI, Sciences and IKS in Multidisciplinary Synergy for a Viksit Bharat.
Good morning, respected organizers, session chairs, and all participants. I am Dr. M. Saravanan from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Annamalai University. Today, I am presenting my research work on integrating artificial intelligence, scientific advancements, and Indian knowledge systems for achieving sustainable innovation in India. This research focuses on the convergence of artificial intelligence, modern scientific technologies, and Indian knowledge systems. The objective is to develop a multidisciplinary approach that combines technological efficiency with traditional sustainability, thereby contributing to long-term national development. In that current scenario, most solutions are developed using single discipline approaches, which are not sufficient to address complex real-world challenges. There is a strong need for integrating and multidisciplinary frameworks. However, there is still a lack of structured synergy between artificial intelligence and Indian knowledge systems, which limits the potential for holistic innovations. Literature insights from exciting research, it is observed that artificial intelligence significantly enhance performance in engineering system, improves diagnostic accuracy in healthcare, and increase productivity in agriculture. At the same time, Indian knowledge system contribute to sustainability through eco-friendly and holistic practices. However, a unified framework combine these domains is missing in this current research. So, the applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in multidisciplinary innovation across various domains. In engineering, AI techniques are widely used for antenna optimization, improving wireless communication efficiency, and enabling intelligent VLSI system design. In healthcare, AI supports early disease detection, advanced medical image analysis, and personalized treatment planning, which enhances patient outcomes. In agriculture, AI enables precising farming, crop protection, and efficient resource management, which leads to improved productivity and sustainability. So, Indian knowledge system represents a rich repository of traditional wisdom development over centuries. These systems are based on practical observation and scientific principles. In healthcare, Ayurveda and Siddha emphasizes preventive care and holistic well-being. In agriculture, traditional practices such as organic farming and natural pest control promote environmental sustainability. These approaches are now being validated and strengthened through the modern scientific research. So, to effectively implement this integration, education system must adopt a multidisciplinary approaches. The National Educational Policy 2020 promotes flexible curriculum, research-based learning, and skill development. This helps students develop critical thinking and interdisciplinary problem-solving abilities. So, in this work, a 5-layer framework is proposed, consisting of education, knowledge integration, technology, application, and policy layers. In this framework, enables a seamless interaction between artificial intelligence, scientific research, and Indian knowledge system, ensuring effective implementation and sustainability solutions. So, the result shows that artificial intelligence significantly improves efficiency and accuracy, while Indian knowledge system enhance sustainability and cultural relevance. So, when these are integrated, the outcome are more adaptive, effective, and efficient, and environmentally sustainable compared to conventional approaches. This highlights the importance of multidisciplinary integration. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence, modern sciences, and Indian knowledge system provides powerful approaches for sustainable innovation. This multidisciplinary strategies is essential for addressing complex challenges and achieving long-term national development goals. So, thank you very much for your valuable time and attention. Thank you.
It was an honor to chair the technical session where the talk Integration of Artificial Intelligence, Scientific Innovation and the Indian Knowledge System to Achieve Sustainable Innovation in India was delivered by Dr. M. Saravanan at the international conference. It is an important and contemporary research topic dealing with the integration of artificial intelligence, innovations, and Indian knowledge system to achieve sustainable innovation and multidisciplinary process. The presentation showed an excellent understanding of the topic as the presenter delivered the speech in a structured and professional way. The study highlights the significance of integrating modern technological developments along with the traditional indigenous knowledge to devise innovative and culturally significant solutions. The topic selected for the presentation has great relevance with the present day national and global needs. Among the key highlights of the presentation was the discussion on the application of artificial intelligence in various fields such as energy, engineering, healthcare, agriculture, environmental sciences, and education. It was successfully explained by the presenter that various AI technologies such as machine learning and intelligent system could be employed to make processes more efficient and facilitate better decision making in respective fields. Practical examples in fields such as healthcare, diagnostics, precision farming, wireless communication, and climate modeling were usefully in adding relevance to the research paper. One of the other key features of the paper was the incorporation of Indian knowledge system with contemporary scientific research methodology. The presenter emphasized that scientific value exists even in the ancient Indian knowledge system such as Ayurveda, Siddha medicine, organic agriculture practices, and environmental friendly practices. It was clearly convinced that use of artificial intelligence would be helpful in validating, modernized, and digitalized the indigenous knowledge system. The presentation provided significant information regarding transformative education and implementation of NEP 2020. Emphasis was laid on the need for learning across disciplines, skill building, research, and industry academia partnership to prepare individuals for challenges faced by future generations. The theoretical framework put forth was systematic, well structured, and academically meaningful. Major strength of the paper was strong interdisciplinary research approach integrating AI, sciences, and the Indian knowledge system. Highly relevant and contemporary research theme with societal importance, clear organizational and logical flow of ideas throughout the presentation, effective balance between theoretical concepts and practical application, emphasis on sustainability, cultural preservation, and innovation, comprehensive coverages of application in healthcare, agriculture, engineering, and education, well-designed integration framework with the future research potential, practical recommendation aligned with NEP 2020 and Sustainable Development Goals. The presentation was conducted in an assertive manner and the participant answered the question posed during the sessions. This showed that the discussion has elements of clear understanding, academic content, and proper communication. This presentation was informative, interesting, and educational for all. The presentation was useful for achieving the aim of international conference by encouraging interdisciplinary research, sustainable innovation, and blending modern technology with traditional knowledge system. The research is unique, scholarly, and future oriented. My thanks goes out to the presenter for his effort. Congratulations, Dr. N. Saravanan, for excellent performance. Thank you. Thank you, Vedanta Knowledge System and Dr. Arjun Dave for giving me this honor to chair this session. Thank you so much.